Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to extract files, even recover deleted files, using a software I have recently came across called Autopsy. The version I'm using currently is Autopsy 4.4.1. Alright, let's do it. I right click, always run as administrator. Just gonna wait for this to load up. Now, we are going to begin, we are going to click create a new case. In the case name, I'm just going to put um, tutorial video. I'll put a 1. I'm going to change the directory, make a new folder, and I'm just going to name it tutorial. Click select, click next, case number. Just gonna put case 001, examiner, me, finish. Now it's loading. See the spinning ring. This, click on local disk. They're extracting it straight from the disk. Find our USB drive, which we're using for this tutorial, which is this one. Click next. And I just keep all this selected. So you can just click next. As you can see, it has a hash, which we're going to look at later. Now I'm going to pause the video because this may take a while. Alright, it says data source has been added to the local database and the files are being analyzed. You can see it's analyzing right here at the bottom right of the screen. Gives the progress. This will also, this may take some time. This will actually take longer than um, what you've just seen when it was just adding the file, adding the data source, adding the drive to the local database. So I'll just click finish and let this do its thing, and I will again pause the video. All right, as you can see, it is done. Um, Analyzing the files from our local drive. Okay, now let's go look at our files. I'm gonna click on views. There's different ways or different options you can choose when you're looking for files. Go file types. You can search files by extension. As you can see, it sorted it all up, so that's a plus. You don't have to go through hoops and go through caves of just blah where it has images. Let's open up images. This means, as you can see right here, the X on top of like a blank page means these files were supposedly deleted, which they were deleted. I made sure to delete everything off of my USB drive. And as you can see, these files are still on there. And just to prove, let's see, let's go to a file. Look at this. This is looks like a image. The image will show right here. This is an image. This image was deleted off my hard drive because I really didn't need it anymore. It's an image of a soccer field. You could also extract the files or open in an external viewer, which that's what I'm going to do. As you can see, wait for it to load up. There it is. And that's a deleted file. And it also, you can also look at documents. See, it organizes those: HTML documents, Office documents, PDF documents. We got PDF. This is my recent assignment from another class. It's a Cali. Uh, let's see. I just double clicked it. Let's see. I'm going to right click, open an external viewer. Watch the magic happen. Boom. There it is. Exit out of here. As you can see, you can do a lot of things on here. It has a lot of files, even deleted files. Uh, you can actually go to the actual deleted files of parent directory right here, and it says, and it has on here the deleted files, just deleted files. You can go to, you can also, it's also sorted by the file size as well. As you can see, there's eight files that are 1 gigabyte or greater, which most of them are just deleted files. So, and yeah, okay. Let's bookmark some files to include in our report. Okay, I'm going to pick the image 1 file. You can do a quick tag, or you can do a tag and comment. For this, I'll do a tag and comment. I'll just put football. Click OK. Let's go to put another deleted file on there. Tag. We'll just do a quick tag for this one. Let's tag a PDF. Remember this PDF that I was showing earlier? Again, quick tag. Okay. Now, let's generate our report. I want to do it in show our results in HTML. Click next. We can do either all results or tag results. For this, I'll do tag results. All our results were tagged under the bookmark tag. So I'll just put a check next to bookmark, and then click on finish. It's complete. This means that it's good. And then I'm just going to click on this link right here. It's gonna open up. As you see, this is what the report looks like. Has the case number, the examiner, which is moi, the number of images. For this, I just tagged 3 files, one being an image, and as you can see, the autopsy mascot. And you can click on tagged files, and then you can pick on tag images. It shows the image. Click on the image. There you go. It's very cool. And let's see, tag files. You can open up this again. It's gonna open up the PDF viewer embedded in my Google Chrome. So that is how you acquire a USB drive using our Autopsy software version 4.4.1. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I gave y'all some useful information. This is a great tool because the reports that it generates, I like that. Like, it actually shows the pictures and stuff like that. But thank you guys.